he slept the floor today, but I heard his tummy growling. Ain't that right, bro? And he's looking in the refrigerator. It's actually on this side. He wants his bottle. So we're going to try to teach him how to fix his own bottle. Gotta start somewhere. Okay, here we go. Come on, man. Reach in and get. Now, he'll get the grape and the jelly, but today, we're going to teach him how to get his bottle. Well, I ended up getting his bottle. You're not supposed to be coughing on camera. So, come on, man. We gotta go up here and get his bottle. He drinks a regular bottle like an infant, but we have to cut a hole in it. And he can barely stand. I wonder if I can switch this camera around. Let's see. I had to get a drool catcher, the towel. And look, he don't even have his eyes open. Hey, that's an awesome picture. Hold on, Vernon. Let's get up, Vernon. Hold on. Look at the camera, Vernon. Now, we are going to pour the bottle. Ain't that right, Vernon? Okay, we got a thing. Come on. See, he already working with his nipple. He said, it's time. Here. Let me pour it. Well, no, we're not going to try to let him screw it on. That'll be too much. Let me screw it on. Wait. He's here. Okay, so we paused it. There's the bottom now. Look at him. Ain't he awesome? That's an awesome boy. Oh, that was the water. We almost had a disaster. Now, let's see if we can go back to the bedroom and get some sleep. Awesome picture, Vernon. Awesome picture. 4 o'clock in the morning. You got people seeing what I wear in the middle of the night. Awesome picture. Okay. So, we'll go back to sleep. Tell everybody bye. Say bye. Going back night-night.